Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have a lot of football games going on, and today is the last day playing a Premier League. So a lot of games is going on, and winner will be determined today. So as usual, I've drafted a 10 odds for you. So congratulations to everyone that has been winning for the past 3 days. It's been a back-to-back winning. So this football season will end in glory for us. So let's get started with today's predictions. The first game we have today is a game in the Czech Ukraine Premier League where Ellen Z just Cherkasy is taking on Zoya Lugansk, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We move on to Poland where Widzew Lux is taking on KKS Lech Poznan, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Still in that Poland league, we have a game between NKS Cracovia taking on RKS Rakova. My prediction here is over 1.5 goals. We move on to the next league, which is Latvia. We have a game between FK Uda taking on FK with Peja. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. I want you to like this video so that YouTube and Facebook will recommend this video to you and your friends. So hit the like button. Let's move on. Also share with us where you are watching us from in the comment section. If you have a predictions, kindly drop the booking code also in the comment section. And a quick announcement: there's a lot of scammers on this page. Some of them use my Facebook page name to register another page, and they will be inboxing you. So I don't inbox you first. I will not send you a message on your DM. So anyone that send you a message claiming to be Moneyline Tips, disregard it and then block that person. It's not me. I will not inbox you first. So if you need VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. You see my WhatsApp link there. Chat me up on WhatsApp. So that is it. Be vigilant out there. Okay, moving on. We have a game here in the Latvia where FS Jelgava is taking on Riga FC, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is in Hungary where Budapest is taking on Gmot FC, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We move on to the next game in the Hungary Division 2 where Yuri Gaza is taking on Kvifta FC over 1.5 goals. Still in that Hungary, we have a game between Varankovorosi Budapest taking on Opsiget FC, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Still in that same league, again between Keshmeti taking on Zela Gezik over 1.5 goals. Then the last game we have here is a game in the Netherlands where Almere City is taking on Nigerian, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. That gives us a total of 10 matches. 10 odd it was before, now I've reduced to 9 also. You have to manage that today. So I wish you good luck. I believe today game will also win as usual. So hit the like button, share this video with your friends. It's very important you share this video so that your friends will also benefit from these predictions. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. If you need our VIP, join me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp link is in the comment section. So chat me up. Let's talk business. Remember, I don't do pay after. I don't give free games on WhatsApp. I share free games here on Facebook and YouTube every morning. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.